Hi, I'm Sarah from Jobber. Jobber is a super powerful tool you can use to organize your daily operations so you can impress your customers and grow your business. I'm going to show you the workflow in Jobber. From a client requesting work, quoting, scheduling the job, invoicing, and getting paid. The process can be started at any stage, but generally will go in this order. We live in a fast-paced and busy world where clients want to connect easily at any time. With Jobber, clients can request work from your website or social media page 24 hours a day, entering in their name, contact info, a description of the services they need, and any additional information. This automatically creates a client profile in your Jobber account and sends you an email letting you know you have a new request. If a client had called in, you could have also created this request internally with their information to get this work in your books. Open the request in Jobber and you can schedule an on-site assessment, convert the request directly into a quote, or go straight to a job. I'm going to select Convert to Quote. On the quote, fill out all the services you're providing as well as the price. These line items can be added to your products and services list so that you don't have to type them each time. When your quote is ready, click Save And to save the quote and send it off as an email or text message. Jobber quotes are professional and easy to read. They also include your company branding. When a client views a quote online in Client Hub, they can approve the work, sign the quote, and even pay a deposit through Jobber Payments, our online payment system. Once a quote is approved, the work can be scheduled. From the quote, click Convert to Job. You can set a one-off job or a recurring schedule. With a recurring job, schedules can be set to repeat, so this is a good option if you visit a client weekly or monthly. Recurring jobs have the option of setting an invoicing schedule as well. Enter the date and time. All of the line items from the quote carry over to the job, so no need for re-entry. Now that we've got the job scheduled, it's time to get to work. With the Jobber app, you and your team can view your schedule, see client and job information, send text messages, clock in and out, add notes and photos, and finally, mark the visit complete. Once the job is complete, you can invoice directly from the app or from Jobber Online. Line items will have transferred from the job and now to the invoice where you can make any edits or send it off to the client. It's no secret that invoicing can be one of the most tedious tasks when operating a business. One of the biggest ways that Jobber can save you time is through our batch invoicing. From the Invoices page, click More Actions, Batch Create Invoices to create multiple invoices at once. Any job that is ready to invoice will show on this list, and you can easily generate all your invoices in one go and then send them off with batch delivery. That's saving you hours and hours each month. Getting paid has never been easier. With Jobber, you or your team can accept payments on an invoice in the field, save a card on file for recurring payments, or make it convenient for your customers when you give them the option to securely pay their invoices online in Client Hub with Jobber Payments. That's the ideal workflow in Jobber. We know that every business is different, so the workflow can be started at any stage. If your business doesn't need to make quotes, start by scheduling a job, or even create an invoice from scratch if you had an emergency job that never got scheduled. Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions, be sure to check out our Help Center or our other videos.